correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a very being hyped about your birthday and wanting to celebrate it is looked at as a very female thing, and you tend to see, ladkiyan jo excited hoti. Like, I don't remember the last time I saw a dude posting, oh, happy birthday week to me, or like happy birthday month to me. No, right? Why do you think that is though? Is it because किसी ने उनके लिए नहीं करा है, और maybe they look at it as very, अरे ये तो लड़कियों के काम है.
नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत से लड़के दूसरों के लिए नहीं करते, इसलिए वो खुद के लिए भी नहीं करते.
Hello, welcome back to yet another episode of Wait.
One more thing.
Exactly.
What have you been up to? What have you been thinking about? What has been happening in life?
So recently I had a birthday dinner. My birthday, it's been a while. It's been almost a month since.
That's fine. I tend to celebrate a birthday month, so you've been doing that.
Yeah, exactly. And why not, right? Anyway, so speaking of birthdays, and since mine was slightly more recent as compared to yours, I had a very different birthday, and not in the best of sense. Had a personal loss in the family, which took a toll on me, my whole family, everybody. While I was going through the, experiencing that loss and the grief of it, the usual feelings that come around my birthday also came up. Yeah. And obviously you know what they are. Hota kya hai basically ki na, obviously there are times, sometimes you're happy with your life, sometimes you're not, and good and bad days. But birthday ke pehle, like I would say around a week before my birthday, when, everybody starts, actually my birthday month only basically, kyunki 8 tarikh ko aata hai birthday. So obviously like 1st February is, the birthday month, and also kind of the birthday week.
So basically for the whole birthday week, you are PMSing but for your birthday.
Yeah, exactly. Well put. And you know exactly what I mean.
PBS.
Oh, that is a good
Pre-birthday syndrome.
Pre-birthday syndrome. And date-wise, you can relate with me, right? Because you are 8th November, I'm 8th February. तो वो जैसे ही महीना start हो जाता है, महीना start हो जाता है, महीने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Immediately there's this thought where you're like overthinking and reflecting about every single thing in your life, your personal life, family, career, dekh lo, basically all aspects. So it does bring these feelings of, it is a little more, I'm going to be honest, it is a little more negative than positive every year. Because every year I feel like I'm not doing enough. What have I done? Abhi tak kya kara hai? Kyun hai? Why am I? So it brings up a lot. But also there is always a slight excitement ki is baar kya hoga. But theek hai, we'll get to that. That's a whole another topic in itself. And I know you feel similar, but tell me, how is it similar or different to yours? As compared to me.
I used to think I'm one of the few people, or maybe the only person who thinks that way about birthdays and who gets really into birthdays, because my birthday is a big deal for me.
As it should be.
As it should be. Maybe there was a point in my life where I used to think that it should be a big deal for everybody who loves me. For some people it is. I used to think that's how I feel, but I remember calling you on one of your birthdays, and we had decided to meet a few days after your birthday, not on your birthday, because you were not feeling so great, and you were feeling really emotional, and I was like, oh, maybe it's an 8 number thing.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
8 is Saturn, so you never know. Maybe it's an 8 number thing, or maybe it's a growing up thing, maybe it's a woman thing that, on birthdays we do tend to reflect a lot, we get emotional. I would say for me it has been more positive feelings than negative feelings for my birthday, because for me, I consider my birthday as my new year. Right? Because 31st December...
I like how you put that.
Yeah. Because 31st December, everyone celebrates, and that I feel like it's a made-up new year, because this is when you were born. This is like a reset.
Exactly. And वो naturally reflect हो जाता है, because everybody will also ask you कि अरे तुम कितने साल के हो गए, and stuff like that. So it is also a reminder to, oh, I am whatever years old. So yeah, it is natural. It is natural
Forever
to think
25.
about everything. Yeah.
Just
always.
For the record.
Always, please. I feel like even younger, but anyway.
No. तब तक prefrontal cortex.
Yeah, 25 is the magic number.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So yes, talking about your birthday, you were anyway feeling emotional this time, like you always do, but because of what happened, it was even heavier for you. But so we met a couple of days after your birthday for lunch, and we had a talk about this, and that's when we decided to do a podcast about this. Because I feel like it's a very universal feeling. I tend to take it a little more positively, that okay, it's another chance to do better, be better, be another person, have another transformation.
This is a good reminder to myself for next year then.
Yes. Because it's also a reminder that you get to live another year.
Yeah, absolutely. Having said that, one feeling that I do have that I would say is the most positive feeling every year is the feeling of what you said, just gratefulness. Grateful to, first of all, my mother, who's the one who birthed me, my parents, especially also because every year on my birthday, I get this reminder of, I know the difficult times of my parents were going through. I don't want this to be too whatever, but they were going through a difficult period in a lot of ways. And
you mean when you were born?
When you were born. But it was just a challenging period in their lives. So knowing that and then seeing how we are today and the, despite of everything, despite all of that, the incredible touchwood, the childhood they gave me and, all the birthdays I've celebrated over the years, it's just so much gratefulness for all of that.
Yeah, I feel the same way. Talking about the expectations that we have from family, from people, why don't you elaborate on that, because your birthday was much closer.
Yeah, if this whatever situation was not a factor this year, in general, I would say my expectations have reduced over the years. Obviously, again, I feel it's part of growing up because I have missed birthdays of people who are very, very dear to me.
Yeah. It happens. Life happens.
Life happens. I'm not going to hold a gun to your head. He's like, "Tune mera 2014 ka birthday." It's okay. It's fine. Yaad raha, to theek hai, nahi bhi yaad raha, so it's fine. But expectations from certain people, absolutely. I obviously have expectations from my family. Again, not of anything elaborate or anything, just the acknowledgement of, it's a special day and whatever they can do. When it comes to friends, I feel it has been, usme bhi I have changed over the years. My expectations have reduced on my birthdays, and that has only been good for my mental health. Ki mujhe nahi expect karna hai. And I know we've spoken about this, ki when you have less expectations and people do something, it is like, oh my God, all your days just made you, because your expectations are here. It's baseline, zero, pretty much nothing. Just something happy birthday, that's it. And then when something happens, it's, like that. What about you?
I feel like my expectations have also reduced, not because people were not showing up. Ever since I decided to be single, my expectations have reduced anyway, because I used to get very anxious on my birthdays because of the person I was dating.
That is a factor.
That is a factor because I wouldn't expect them to go out of their way or spend a lot of money. But sometimes it felt like I was more excited about their birthday than they were about mine. So of course you expect a reciprocation. But ever since I decided to de-center men, I feel like my expectations naturally reduced. I do have expectations from my parents, from my friends, because we are human at the end of the day.
We are human. मतलब एक होता है बोलना कि just life without expectations is, that is not practical.
फिर तो मतलब संन्यास ही ले लो ना, वैसे हो जाएंगे.
So I'm not expecting from random some acquaintance from 10 years ago कि वो मुझे wish करे Facebook or whatever. Do not absolutely give a fudge about that. But close friends, family, of course I will.
4-5 जो लोग हैं life में.
गिनती के, मतलब just on your fingers जिनको आप गिन सकते हैं.
Yeah, exactly.
Not even like this.
And also a factor has been that over a period of years, I have found friends who have celebrated me in ways that I did not experience in the past.
That you deserve to be celebrated.
Which includes you. So yeah, and I also feel because naturally I have gravitated towards people like that and they are doing things for me and making me feel special, so expectations apne aap hi kam ho gaye, and I've been having better birthdays since those expectations have reduced. And also I've started taking initiative myself. If I want to throw a party, I'll throw a party. If I want to go on a trip, I'll go on a trip. If I want to celebrate with just one person, I'll do that. I started planning my birthday myself rather than relying on anybody else. When we say we missed so and so's birthday, now we know that even with a distance, it's possible to make someone feel special.
वो तो है, true.
Right? You don't have to be
actually want
physically
to-
present.
Absolutely. I mean,
Right.
look at the world we live in. We're all in school
Blinkit
friends,
का
college
time.
friends, सब- Yeah,
हाँ.
exactly. तो भेज दो कुछ और कुछ
हाँ
नहीं तो-
मतलब
तो, yeah.
you can send the smallest thing or the most expensive thing depending on how many funds do you have in your account right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
You can make somebody feel
Yeah,
special if you
absolutely.
really want to, if the intention is there. So are there any
Yeah.
rituals that you started doing for yourself?
I know what your ritual is and I think it's very good and everybody should know it because उससे ideas मिलेंगे सबको. Mine, I think I'm still struggling. I found inspiration of the whole ritual thing. I mean, I know yours and you've been doing it, but I've told you about this. I
Yeah.
had a friend जो कि अपने हर birthday पे she took out time for herself and she went to have a black forest pastry or actually any form of black forest. So it could be like a pancake or a waffle with cherries and all of that, all the elements. So she started doing that only for herself and उस दिन time निकाल के, and obviously it could be कुछ दिन आगे पीछे. Sometimes you don't have the kind of time that day, and that really, I was like, this is very inspirational. मुझे ये करना है. I don't know what my ritual is. मुझे नहीं पसंद है the Black Forest, but something else.
No, it doesn't have to be Black Forest. The point
of course,
is
the point is the woe, but it doesn't even. There has to be some food element that also I'm sure about. It won't be a dessert. That's also I'm sure about. But I don't know. I think I'm still figuring it out. I told you this time, remember? कि February, मैं सोचा था, oh, by 28th of February, I'll figure it out. I actually haven't. I still haven't.
maybe we'll ask everybody to put in the comments if you have any ideas for
Yes.
Jyotsna, what she can do for her birthday. The whole idea about having a ritual, which we discussed when we talked about your friend,
Yeah.
it's not really about the Black Forest. It's about reminding yourself every year that you are keeping a promise to yourself.
I have my own back. I have my back.
Yeah. Keep your mic closer. Slightly.
I have my back.
So, see, I got your back right now.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
So basically, it's a promise that you're keeping to yourself, which you made last year and you renewed it this year, right? So it can be anything, and also a food element. It's like, it's like nostalgic. So you get reminded of your last birthday and you do the same this birthday and you do the same next birthday. So that flavor itself becomes nostalgic for you. I wouldn't say I have done the ritual every year, but I have a couple of them. One would be I visit a gurdwara on my birthday or at least maybe a day prior or the next day, depending on if I'm traveling, then of course same day kai baar nahi ho pata. So I visit a gurdwara for my birthday to begin my new year, to thank Babaji for the year that has gone by and ask for blessings for the year that is coming up. Another thing that I have done on a few birthdays is I have written a letter to my parents because my birthday is a bigger day for them than me because they became parents twice on this day.
Yeah,
As-
I think you should elaborate on
Yeah,
this.
so my birthday is 8th November and my brother's birthday is also 8th November.
No, they're not twins.
We're not twins, but we have the same birthday, so it's a double deal
And
for
that
my.
is so rare. That is so rare
It is.
for because with pregnancy, obviously there are so many variables. Exactly उसी दिन पे.
Same
exactly
day.
उसी दिन पे. That is very cool.
And I'm 6 p.m. He's 6 a.m. यार कुंडली उडली मत बना लेना अब कोई भी.
Ah, exactly. Oh, हाँ. Now that we've given all.
I just realized.
Imagine somebody's like, इनका झगड़ा होने वाला है or something. I don't know.
इसकी शादी इससे होने वाली है.
इसका ही 2 साल बाद.
So yeah, हाँ.
Oh
So
wait,
मतलब.
I didn't know the. Have you told me the 6 p.m. 6 a.m. thing before? मेरे को
No,
नहीं
I
याद
don't
है.
think so.
Yeah, that just makes it cooler.
Yeah.
That makes it so much cooler.
So,
Wow.
One of us is 6 p.m. One of us is 6 a.m.
You are what?
6 p.m.
हाँ अच्छा शाम को सुबह इतना जल्दी को.
That's why I'm not a morning person.
Yeah. Is he?
He's a morning person.
Oh damn.
You know, they say it matters.
Really?
They say your time of birth determines whether you're a morning person
I'm
or not.
8:30 p.m.
So you're also not a morning person.
Yeah, I'm not. I try to be these days, but I'm not. It doesn't come that naturally, I would say.
I have tried
can
my
be,
whole
but-
life.
Uh,
I've tried my whole life to be a morning person, but it does not come naturally to me.
yeah, I think mujhe bhi staying up always comes
It's a
naturally.
struggle.
I remember even while studying, it just came naturally to study रात को as
Yeah, yeah.
compared to सुबह उठकर. But थोड़ी सी कोशिश चल रही है. Let's see how long it lasts for. So, 2 questions. Number 1, गुरुद्वारे वाले में. Have you ever, because obviously गुरुद्वारा or any of these places, एक थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे there's a vibe and you know it brings you a certain peace, but it can be overwhelming emotionally. Have you ever cried or something of the sort?
I'm the kind of person who has cried in a gurudwara every time I have visited.
No, you mean like as a normally, not just on a
हाँ,
birthday?
हाँ. In fact, there was a point in my life. So I was living in Shere Punjab, Andheri East, and right next to my house there was a gurudwara. Shere Punjab का बहुत famous gurudwara है. Bombay people know. So I used to go there every day
Okay.
in the evening, like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. types, and I made it a ritual for the whole year that I will visit this gurudwara for a year.
That's a commitment. Nice.
That is a commitment. I am a commitment person.
It's a casual slip in.
Casual slip in.
By the way.
Like someone will slip into my DMs. So, yeah. So, कोई मन्नत वन्नत नहीं मांगी थी मैंने. It was just कि for a year I
Promise to yourself.
हाँ कि I'll go to a gurudwara, and I cried every single evening sitting in that gurudwara because I felt like it was just a release. I didn't try to, but the music that's there in the gurudwara, the vibe, the atmosphere. And Bombay में तो anyway nobody gives you a second look. तुम रो रहे हो तो रो. We'll give you your space.
Yeah, absolutely.
हाँ.
You'll be bawling your eyes out.
Yeah,
अपने
which is
उसमें
good.
रहता है.
Nobody will like
Yeah.
bother you, ask you कि क्या हुआ बेटा and all that. So people just let me be.
Unless you ask for help.
Of course, then तो
Then
Bombay is the
तो,
most helpful.
Of course, yeah. वो अलग बात है. But
Yeah. I feel like in my case it's also music. Music really moves me.
See, now that I can relate it. Absolutely.
So maybe try going to a gurudwara when they are actually singing live. If you want to experience that.
Yeah, I'm open to trying.
Yeah.
Open to be converted. That just sounds wrong. No, don't convert me. I'm nothing right now to be converted, but chalo, anyway. So, yes,
ये कहाँ चले गए हम?
I don't know. But that sounds more like us anyway.
Yeah.
इधर उधर की बातें.
तभी तो नाम है. Wait, one more thing.
One more thing. कुछ ना कुछ रहता ही है हमेशा. So yeah.
So coming back to birthdays.
Coming back to the ritual. And yeah, the second question I had, ठीक है? What is the, obviously without going into too much details, but I want to know ऊपर से, what is the content of this letter that you write to your
मैं पूरा
parents?
बता दूंगी इसमें क्या है.
I love it. It's like, I love it.
No, but
Go for it.
It has been generally, मैंने लिखा नहीं कुछ साल से, 2-3 साल से. I've been a little distracted with my own life. But whenever I have written this letter to them, it's been gratitude. It's been maybe a few complaints also. Whatever has come to my mind, that the things that I want to say to them that I don't generally say face to face. Because face to face, I'm the kind of person who will say I love you to them every day, which is also very rare, I found out.
Is it?
People don't really say I love you to their parents.
Okay, I know what you mean, but maybe in the older generation, abhi things have changed. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Like now I see a lot of parents constantly like young parents, but in our parents generation, उस generation में not that common.
मैं तो
Agreed.
आज के पेरेंट्स की तो बात ही नहीं कर रही, हमारे
age के. And my nannies and हमारे grandparents के age में तो my nanny still finds it ridiculous that she was like, इस बोलने की बात नहीं होती. क्या I love you, मैं नहीं बोलती I love you. So yeah, I see what you mean.
So like face to face I fight with them. मैं चिढ़ जाती हूँ और मैं I love you बोलती हूँ. You know, this is the regular dynamic that we have with our
That
parents.
is the natural, yeah, exactly.
But there are things that we want to say to them, so which generally comes in the form of a letter because I think I express myself better in writing. तो हाँ बस वही होता है content.
Or do you think they've saved these letters and like पढ़े होंगे उनके पास अभी
हाँ,
पुराने?
I'm sure.
Yeah, you could like revisit them, just essay.
I'm gonna ask.
And tell us how you felt about it in the
I'm
next
gonna
podcast. Hashtag Neha reads the letters. Not reads, but
मेरे
like,
को letters पता है किससे वापस चाहिए? Exes से.
है ना?
मैं क्या मतलब such gems I've written.
Yeah, हमारी writing. That's basically somebody could monetize off of it.
If I had those letters back, I would like compile all of them and get them published into one book. Letters to my exes.
Oh, you think maybe that exists already? That sounds like
I'm
something.
sure
that
this title
I'm sure it
exists.
does. Yeah.
But this form of literature also exists.
Yeah.
But मेरे को करना है ना यार, वापस
ना,
करो.
exactly.
If you're listening, please return my letters.
My PO box number is. Yeah. Yeah, that'd actually be good. All the छोटे gifts but okay, some things have sentimental value, but at least photo लेके भेज सकता है, तो at least you have you're writing what you wrote for him.
काहे की sentimental value तुम्हारी बीवी ने वैसे भी पकड़ लिए होंगे वो letters if you still have them.
Yeah, exactly. That would be a little sus. That would be a little sus. He's like, ये किसका letter है?
Speaking of married people.
Speaking of married people, yes.
So I'm talking about this now about married people because we have discussed this often how single women show up for each other differently on birthdays than married women. ये हमारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है.
हाँ.
है ना?
जितनी हमने थोड़ी बहुत जिंदगी जी है उसमें yes, this has been our experience.
Yeah, and married women of course have expectations from their husbands, which as they should.
Bare
मतलब
minimum.
यार देखो.
यार तू सुन देख.
जीवन में एक ही फैमिली मेंबर होता है जो तुम चुन सकते हो खुद.
Yeah, the family you choose.
ठीक है? Every other family member is given to you by खुदा.
By default. कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
ठीक है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स, तुम्हारे सिबलिंग्स, तुम्हारी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, वो तुम लेके आए हो. The only family member that you can choose is your spouse. अगर उससे भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है, अगर वो भी तुम्हारे बर्थडे को स्पेशल नहीं बना रहे, तो मतलब क्या फायदा?
भाड़ में जाओ.
फिर तो हम सिंगल ही ठीक है.
Yeah, exactly. बहुत खुश हैं.
So
yeah, absolutely.
I used to think that my friends who are married, their husbands will be giving them flowers and cakes and gifts और ये वो. तो मैं क्या करती थी? I would celebrate them either a few days before their birthday or after their birthday whenever I would get a chance to see them. Unless there was a party at their place on that particular day. But then I realized that नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा. Like the husbands are
thinking कि अरे वो दिन तो वो obviously she would want to celebrate with him and you know he might do something special.
Yeah, unless she's inviting me on her own, I would assume in the past, क्योंकि जब फ्रेंड्स की शादियां होने लगती हैं, these are the things you don't really know. अब पता है क्योंकि अब तो आधे लोग के डिवोर्स ही हो रहे हैं.
एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. He's like 20s में हमारे दोस्तों की शादी हो रही थी, 30s में हमारे दोस्त separate/divorce.
हाँ. So then I realized that ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. The husbands are not really showing up. Flowers नहीं आ रहे हैं, cakes नहीं आ रहे हैं. So then I started sending flowers and cakes, which was good because I felt like it was a micro act of feminism from my side. कि I am celebrating these women who are not really getting reciprocated on their birthdays, even though these women are doing a lot for their husbands on their birthdays, for their kids, for their in-laws. सबके लिए कर रही हैं वो, but उनको खुद को नहीं मिल रहा है.
Oh, I secretly judge so many of these couples कि मुझे याद है इसने तेरे बर्थडे पे ये करा था, तूने क्या करा इसकी बर्थडे पे? Like I will remember और मैं उसकी स्टोरी जाके देखूंगी क्या करा तेरे पति ने कुछ करा तेरे लिए.
Yeah, exactly. तो वो obviously I started doing that, like I said, कि micro act of feminism, कि husband को भी तो चुभना चाहिए ना कि घर पे फ्लावर्स आए हैं, फ्रेंड्स ने भेजे हैं,
और जो सेम शहर में भी नहीं रहती है, right? Like you were saying, you didn't live in the same city as her, you know, sending a flowers, the effort of address निकाल के and you know all of that.
Just mentioning this one story, एक friend, it was her birthday and all day long her husband had done nothing. Right? No flowers, no cake, no acknowledgement, no dinner reservation, nothing. And 5 minutes before midnight, while her birthday was ending, he gave her a gift and he was like, I just wanted to, you know, tease you.
चाटा मारूंगी बहुत तरीके से. टीज करना है, गुदगुदी कर. टीज कर. You know what I mean? टीज करना है, ऐसे टीज कर यार. What is this टीज कर रहा हूँ, बर्थडे एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर रहा. You think you would be able to hold your tongue? I wouldn't.
I was so angry for her.
Yeah.
She spent her entire day thinking that ये शायद भूल गया है.
नहीं, and the fact that वो चुप थी, मतलब she had the kind of patience to be like, मैं अंदर ही अंदर घुटूंगी. I think both of us would have been like, 12:05 हो गए हैं, 12:05 a.m. Where is the gift?
I mean, in my 20s, I have cried on my birthdays because of men.
Oh.
That's why I decentered
And
them.
now we cry because of ourselves.
No. Touch wood, I haven't cried on the last few birthdays. Because
good.
I have
That is a
cried
good touch wood.
quite a lot on quite a few birthdays. So now I have made it a point that I don't. Tabhi to like, I either throw myself a party or take myself out or plan the whole day so that I don't have space to cry.
That's a good idea. So it's not like you're crying because, oh, I'm at peace. You're like, time ही नहीं मिल रहा है. Where do I, कौन सी slot में fit करूँ मैं? Okay, 8 to 8:30 crying session.
सुबह ही मेकअप कर लो.
Oh, that's a hack.
Yeah.
That's a sad hack. But that's a hack. He's like #birthday.
तो मन ही ना करे मेकअप बिगाड़ने का तो अगले दिन रो लेना, ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो आई गेट वेरी
क्या
puffy.
बोलने में नहीं आएगा कि बर्थडे के दिन.
हाँ, I get very puffy when I cry even for 5 minutes. So
But you know, cute when you cry. I mean, we all ऐसे थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है. Maybe that's a hack. That you cry, सुबह निपटा लो, and then when your cheeks are naturally red and eyes are puffy, you do your makeup and everybody's like, oh, you're glowing, it's your birthday. You're like, but you know मैं रो कर आई हूँ.
is that why men have made me cry? Because I look good while crying?
Yeah, maybe. See, it's about finding a silver lining. He's like, तूने रुलाया, but you know what? I look cute right now.
That's not the kind of crying I want to do with
No,
men.
absolutely not.
There was this one friend जिसके birthdays पे I started sending flowers because her husband was not showing up. And I did that for a few years. We're not really friends anymore. We don't really talk because I got ghosted by her. Not on her birthday, but her birthday month for sure. इतना मुझे याद है. And I didn't expect her to remain my friend for the rest of our lives just because I was sending her flowers. And she was also sending me gifts, to be fair. वो भी भेजती थी मेरे birthday पे. But I feel like really bad when it's her birthday and I can't send her things anymore.
Yeah, like every year जब उसका birthday आता होगा, I'm sure एक वो pinch करता है.
अब मैं उसके birthday पे रोती हूँ.
So you have evolved. You're not crying on your birthdays, but disclaimer, you're crying on her birthday now. Yeah.
So,
but getting ghosted by a female friend
if
is
you
just...
if you are watching, please let me know why you ghosted me. You
हाँ,
know
मतलब
who you
reason
are.
तो बता दो.
Reason तो
And
बता
you
दो.
told me you did approach and you... Did you? कि वो... Oh, sorry, that's someone else.
No, that's someone else. Oh my god.
हाँ, वो
I've been
दूसरी,
ghosted by
that
friends
one.
quite a bit.
Is different.
Yeah. No, so I got ghosted by her, but after that, we have spoken on like birthdays and New Year's and all that, but we don't really talk regularly. So please let me know why you ghosted me. I would like to send you flowers on your birthday.
But wait, ghosted in what way? Like you texted her, उसका reply नहीं आया, but then randomly happy birthday भेजा उसने ऐसा? Yeah, strange.
Yeah.
And it's okay if you miss a text, but बाद में तो message करके reply करी सकते हो.
नहीं, you know when you're ghosted.
हाँ, वो तो है वैसे.
Right?
Yeah. It won't be like missing a single text. It would be, yeah, exactly. But okay. I want to add something to this married women thing. I told you about this recently. मैंने Reddit पे कुछ तो पढ़ा था. This woman, or of course as people do, किसी ने उसका screenshot लेके Twitter पे डाला था कि no, Threads. I don't use Twitter anymore. X now, whatever. X is my X now. Laugh. No, not funny. Okay.
LOL.
Never mind. Anyway, so basically this woman was talking about how usne couple of kids, a husband, and birthdays were always a big thing in her family. So she started doing the same thing, continue the tradition with her kids and husband. Noticed that unfortunately neither the husband nor the kids ever reciprocated in a way that she would have expected. मतलब again, not to like obviously इतना समझदार तो हर कोई है, nobody's like nitpicking, you know, कि मैंने तुझे 2 पाउंड का केक दिया, तूने मेरे को not like that, तूने मुझे 1 पाउंड का केक दिया, not like that, but just in terms of making it a big deal, you know what I mean, बोल के दिखा के or whatever. And so one year she took this decision कि to hell with it, मैं अब नहीं कर रही हूँ, bare minimum कि like birthday है, शाम को केक ऑर्डर कर दिया, रात को कट कर दिया.
मतलब for the others.
For the others, she started doing that because she felt reciprocate nahi ho raha. So like now, let me also not put the efforts. The sad part, nobody noticed. Nobody cared.
That she has reduced her
That
efforts.
she has reduced her efforts, which is basically like they never cared, right? मतलब अगर पहले notice करते होते, अगर उनके लिए इतनी वो important बात होती, they would have been grateful or reciprocated, but maybe it was never that big of a deal for them.
Oh, इस साल नहीं किया तो मतलब is she upset?
हाँ,
कुछ
कि
हुआ
ऐसे
क्या?
पूछ के कि is everything okay, or which is just, it's a little sad. And I feel I'm guessing, see, neither of us are married, but I have been told that feeling lonely in a marriage has to hurt like 100 times more than feeling lonely when you're single.
Yeah, 100%.
It's the worst kind of lonely, isn't it?
In a relationship, like,
Or in a relationship. I'm guessing marriage may, like, it only amplifies,
तुम legally bound हो फिर भी.
हाँ, exactly. And if then you cannot, वैसे बोलते हैं ना, you don't see me. Like, you're not seeing me.
There's this thing I read somewhere that the whole desire to have somebody or to get married or to have a life partner is that you want somebody to witness your life, to see you. It's not really about spending your life with somebody, but it's about them witnessing you live your life and you witnessing their life. So
Feels
birthdays and any other special days are a part of it, and birthdays even more so, because a birthday is the one day in the whole year which is just for you. Right? Like,
your own holiday, like Neha Jayanti, basically.
yeah. So the whole world celebrates Valentine's Day, the whole world celebrates New Year's, Christmas, Diwali, जो भी होते हैं दिन. तो anniversary भी तुम्हारी shared होती है. But a birthday is just about you. That's the only day you get in the whole year. And for single women, that's the only day you get, period.
हाँ, मतलब there are no anniversaries or
There are no
कुछ नहीं हो रही है,
anniversaries.
and which is okay.
There are no
But,
baby showers.
हाँ, none of that. So yeah, that
Which
is
reminds
the
me
only
of that
day.
episode from Sex and the City. I remember the name
Yeah, I
of
know what
the
you're talking about.
episode. It was called A Woman's Right to Shoes. Where, just to remind everybody, Carrie goes to someone's party and her shoes get stolen. Right? And of course, she talks her into expecting this person to pay her for the shoes or replace the shoes, even though her friends are like, you can't really expect that, that's a ठीक है, shoes चले गए तो चले गए, you can't expect somebody to replace them. But she was like, I have gifted this woman gifts worth thousands of dollars over the years, on her engagement, on her
Marriage,
wedding,
anniversary,
on her baby showers, on
kids'
the
birthdays
Huh.
after that, yeah.
And she hasn't given me a single birthday gift in years. And I have not begrudged her for that, because uski shaadi ho gayi, she's busy. So even if she's not showing up with a gift on my birthday, मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं.
Which now, with some context, should not be excused. But आपने करा इतने साल फिर भी,
तो उसने इतना सोचा नहीं, because she had like Samantha and Charlotte and Miranda.
हाँ, मतलब इतनी already life full है कि it's not like आपको एक वो married friend का दिल दुख रहा है.
हाँ, but अब उसको चुभा ना.
हाँ. And rightly so.
Rightly
That is
so.
the one episode where Carrie was actually sensible.
100%.
And where she was sensible, her reaction was completely validated.
Valid. Yeah.
Valid, yeah, completely valid. So,
Yeah. And then she decides to have a wedding with herself. She sends out a card that I'm getting married to myself. I'm registered at Manolo Blahnik. And then she gets those shoes.
Ah, those Manolo Blahniks, yes.
The silver ones.
The silver ones.
Iconic
yes.
silver ones.
Yeah, the thingy on them.
Yeah, so the whole point of this episode was that for single women, a birthday is the only thing. And what if you don't get married? What if you don't have kids? Then what? तो सारी जिंदगी तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
Exactly. And also, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a very, being hyped about your birthday and wanting to celebrate it is looked at as a very female thing. And you tend to see, लड़कियां जो excited होती. Like, I don't remember the last time I saw a dude posting, oh, happy birthday week to me, or like happy birthday month to me. No, right? Why do you think that is though? Is it because किसी ने उनके लिए नहीं करा है, or maybe they look at it as अरे ये तो लड़कियों के काम है.
नहीं, क्योंकि
Which do you
बहुत
think
से
that
लड़के
is?
दूसरों के लिए नहीं करते, इसलिए वो खुद के लिए भी नहीं करते.
मतलब उनके लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है ही नहीं. सी इट्स ओके इफ इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ ग्रुप ऑफ डूड्स और तुम किसी का बर्थडे ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते, बट नाउ लेट्स से इफ यूर इन अ रिलेशनशिप और लेट्स से नॉट इवन अ रिलेशनशिप, योर मदर, योर सिस्टर, मे बी अ कज़न ऑफ योर्स, तुम उससे बहुत क्लोज हो और वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है कि यू नो लाइक चल हम तेरा बर्थडे भी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे एंड यू नो मे बी आई एक्सपेक्ट अ लिटिल मिल ले, लेट्स मीट फॉर कॉफी ऑन माई बर्थडे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. वेरी वैलिड, राइट?
Yeah.
मतलब तुम सीख सकते हो इवन इफ that was never your upbringing.
Look, if your birthday is not important for you, that's your prerogative. But if you have people in your life जिनका birthday उनके लिए important है,
हाँ, exactly.
तो तुम्हें
Yeah.
थोड़ा change तो अपने अंदर लाना चाहिए कि यार चल मैं अपना birthday नहीं celebrate करता तो इसका तो कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, absolutely. मतलब इतना तो तुम करोगे ही for someone you love. Yeah.
I mean, that's...
And then, okay, the whole argument of... No, first say what you were saying. That's
I
what...
forgot you say.
Okay, sorry. The whole thing of... Another thing that I've heard from men कि अरे ये तो चीज़ें रोज होनी चाहिए, you know, like oh I should celebrate you every day. Why do I have to love you or celebrate you on this one specific day?
ये चीज़ें रोज होनी चाहिए तो करो फिर.
हाँ, exactly. Does it happen practically life में with you? Will you not wake up and go to your work? Will you not like do things that you're required to do in a society? How will you celebrate each other every single day?
The people who say that every day is Valentine's Day and every day is your birthday and I should celebrate you every day, वो ना तुम्हें बर्थडे पे फ्लावर्स देते हैं, ना वैलेंटाइंस डे पे फ्लावर्स देते हैं, ना पूरे साल देते हैं.
Yeah, and see, you want to feel special once in a while, and why shouldn't you, right? Of course, I'm not saying you can be a very attentive partner and you know you could talk every day and whatever, show your love every day in different ways, but come on, I'm telling you, मेरा birthday मेरे लिए important है. I expect again the bare minimum, but like give me one flower, cake ला दे,
It has,
pastry ला दे.
for us at least I know, and for the women that we have in our lives, it has never been about कितना खर्चा किया.
No grand gestures.
Never.
Yeah.
In fact, for each other also, like since we are freelancers, sometimes we have more money, sometimes we have less money. So depending on
absolutely.
कितने पैसे हैं, we'll spend on each other. कि जब ज़्यादा पैसे होंगे
Exactly.
तो बड़ा गिफ्ट होगा, जब कम होंगे तो छोटा गिफ्ट होगा, right? But the point is doing something.
हाँ, वो acknowledgement of कि like you are important to me, hence this is important to me. Was this important to me before I met you? No. But now I'll make it an effort to make it important.
And the people who say that every day is special and every day has to be Valentine's Day, वो रोज भी कुछ नहीं करते.
No, and see, by that logic, that applies to every single thing. रोज दिवाली मनाओ, रोज दिए जलाओ,
exactly.
रोज पटाखे फोड़ते हैं, नहीं मत फोड़ो, एयर पोल्यूशन है. But anti-national, anti-Hindu. But
रोज क्रिसमस ट्री रखो घर पे.
हाँ, some days are important.
रोज
In a
रोजे
year-
रखो.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. You need a day. There are days. There's Mother's Day, Father's Day. Even for Mother's Day, oh, I love my mom every day. Yeah, sure you do. I also love my mom every day. But you know, that day is a reminder कि no, let me make her feel a little more special than usual. Or you know, कि उनको लगे हाँ, this day is hers. What
But
is
यही
wrong
वो
with
लोग
that?
होते हैं जो विमेंस डे पे बोलेंगे मेंस डे क्यों नहीं होता. पहली बात तो होता है
होता है. It's just
19th of November.
and also like having men's day is like having white day. Like white history
pride.
month, white pride,
Straight pride.
Yeah, exactly, straight pride or white history month. I think we don't need to explain why that is just a ridiculous notion.
Yeah.
So,
So the
yeah.
point is कि वो मतलब the Venn diagram is a circle of these people who say
Exactly.
that every day is Valentine's Day and Men's Day क्यों नहीं होता. पहली बात तो होता है. दूसरी बात every day is Men's Day यार. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे every day is Valentine's Day, every day is Men's Day.
Exactly. Every day is Men's Day. This is a very very patriarchal society. Every day is actually Men's
Yeah.
Day. That is the one exception. Every day
तो
is
हम कहाँ चले
Men's
गए
Day.
फिर से. So the whole point is that there are only a few people in your life that you're close to. So make it a special day for them, whether you are physically present next to them or not. There are many ways to make someone feel special, and हम luckily हमारी life में अब ऐसे लोग हैं who are really not nonchalant about birthdays and special days. Like even on regular days we try to make each other feel special, and that's what, in fact, the women in my life have raised my standards even more for whenever I have a relationship or whenever I
100%.
start dating again. And because we are not nonchalant, we are chalant lomdiya.
Yeah. I like this for us.
ये सबिया
We
का
are-
joke है वैसे. Credit सबिया.
Credit Sabiha, mutual friend. Yeah, exactly. And very, very proud Shalant. I don't want to be the cool, nonchalant person for pretty much anything or everything. Hum hai Shalant and it is what it is.
Is chalant even a word?
If it's not, we're making it
We
a
just
word.
made it.
अब शेक्सपियर बना सकता है इतने सारे words हम भी बना ही सकते हैं. Are we Shakespeare?
Nice.
No, but like why not? If a man can do it, of course we can. So yeah, be Shalant. अब मैंने hashtag इतना बोला ये तो hashtag be Shalant and be yourself. If you are someone who genuinely does not give a fuck about your birthdays, don't. It's okay. It's for you, it's just another day. It's fine, we don't judge. And some couples are genuinely very nonchalant about
Everything that
anniversaries.
anyone does for you, whether it's on a birthday or another day, is information
Yes,
of
it's of who
what they
are,
think
how
about you
they
and
are.
who they are.
Yep. And believe people the first time they tell you who they are and what
And this
they
is
are.
for women out there. If
PSA.
someone mistreats you on your birthday, please walk away right now.
लात मारो और हटाओ.
Dump him.
Dump his ass.
And for the other people
Or
out
divorce his
there,
ass.
please celebrate the people in your life, whether it's their birthday or not, but especially on their birthdays.
Especially on your birthdays, because why not? It's a छोटी सी जिंदगी है. कितना, let's say if you live on average 60 years, शुरू के चलो 10 साल it's all your parents, शुरू के 15 साल it's all your parents, right? Like your parents will organize a birthday party with your friends, whatever. After that it's all you and the people you love in your life.
You have chosen,
So
yeah.
you're chosen ones. The more you grow up, you know, you will spend your birthdays more with your friends or your cousins, or of course family too. Cousins are family, but the point being, make it special. Having 50 birthdays or 40 birthdays, 40 special days in your whhole life doesn't have to be that big of a deal.
Now that I think about it, 40 special days in your life is all you get?
Henna, that are just for you. Make your birthday special. That is a reminder. But this is also assuming that you live only till 60. I am planning to live till like at least like 90 to 93. So I know I will have more. But it depends. You know, jitni. I don't know. No, but life is fickle. Life is very short or kuch bhi ho sakta hai, right? So be grateful for every birthday that you get. If birthdays are important for you, celebrate it for yourself, do something for yourself, have a ritual for yourself, and also make it special with other people in your life.
And
on their
don't forget
birthdays.
to love yourself every day, and especially on your birthday.
Yeah, go a little easy.
Go a little easy, because at the end of the day, that's a special day for your inner child as well. So please be kinder to yourself, and happy birthday to anyone celebrating out there,
Happy birthday.
whenever you're watching this.
Yeah, and if today is not your birthday and on your birthday you want to feel special, and it's okay if nobody's there for you, but we are there.
We're there.
So us din laga loge. So this is us saying to you on any day of the year, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye-bye.
That was good.
That was good.